To conduct the experimental energy, thermal, and sound insulation performance analysis, House A was constructed using MCM Decorative Integrated VIP, while House B was built to the same shape and size but with homogeneous panels of identical thicknesses. The overall energy consumption of House A is about minimum 22% lower than House B. The rewarming test shows after 6 hours temperature rise of House A is about 15% lower than House B. The sound insulation test shows noise reduction of House A is about minimum 15 decibel quieter than House B.